to keep today's blue sky bright for tomorrow. A sustainable future air mobility solution company. TOFF Mobility. Founded in 2023, TOFF Mobility began with Asia's first electric aircraft commercialization, advancing battery efficiency, infrastructure, maintenance, and AI flight optimization. From aircraft introduction to certification and operations, we provide a data-based, full-cycle air mobility service. Building expertise and leadership in the aviation industry. With 10 times less noise and carbon emissions than conventional aircraft, we are preparing to become Korea's first electric aircraft airline. Our large cargo drones are used for high-rise operations, wildfire response, and cargo transport, offering high safety and efficiency. Working with global top-tier partners, we've secured exclusive distribution rights and aim for component localization, recognized through Venture, ESG, and TIPS certifications. We've obtained electric aircraft safety approval. We collaborate with MOLIT, the Aerospace Administration, and local governments at home and abroad. With 9 patents and the 2025 KIPA President's Award, we prove our technological leadership in future aviation. The global air mobility market will reach $1.48 trillion by 2040. Electric aircraft growing over 8% annually are a key driver of aviation's future. The cargo drone market is expected to reach 55 trillion KRW by 2030. As climate risks rise, the need for sustainable air mobility grows stronger. In 2025, TOFF Mobility completed the introduction and certification of electric aircraft and cargo drones and began full-scale commercialization in 2026. By 2027, we will expand into Asia and the Middle East, building a global network. And by 2028, obtain our AOC connecting Ulung Island and regional airports as Asia's #1 electric aircraft airline. Dreaming of new skies through technology and innovation, we build a sustainable sky for tomorrow. This is TOFF Mobility's mission, so that tomorrow's sky stays as blue as today. We connect the present and the future, pioneering new paths forward. Take off to the future. TOFF Mobility.